Hi, my name is Sophia, and today I will be showing you how to determine the angle for the Moore-Coulomb failure criterion for any given problem. In the blank space in which you are provided, go to the Home button, select, press Line, and now you'll want to draw a line of length 100 at 90 degrees. Press Enter. Perpendicular to this line, you'll want to draw another line for length of 100 at 0 degrees. And you will want to draw one final line at 90 degrees for another length of 100. This is to keep everything uniform. Back up to where the Home button is, select Circle, hover over the triangle, and click. Now this is a section where you can enter the radius for whatever is given in the problem. In this case, we will use a radius of 15. Enter. Back to the Home button, select Line, hover over the origin until you see the square, and click. Carry this line until you see the circle with the line over it, which indicates tangent. Click, and drag this line all the way to this far right line until you see this X, and click. Press Escape. Back to where the Home button is, you'll want to now shift over to Annotate, and this is where you will determine the angle between this line and this line. Make sure that your dimension key is set to angular, which it is. Now select the bottom line and select this top line you just created and drag this section out anywhere within here and click. The angle is 17 degrees. To make this larger, click on the arc, right click, scroll to Properties, scroll down until you see text. This is where you will type 5. Enter. Press Escape. And now you have determined the angle for the Moore-Coulomb failure criterion. This is the same for any similar problem of this nature. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.